Hello children, I am Smita Dash and now you are seeing the second part of our video on the coastal plains and islands. This is the fifth chapter of social science. Previous week you have seen the part 1 of the video where you have known about the western coastal plains. As it is broadly divided, the coastal plains, it is broadly divided into two types, the western coastal plains and the eastern coastal plains. In the previous video, you had a chance to know about the western coastal plains. In this video, we will be discussing about the eastern coastal plains and the islands. Coastal plains and islands, the state. This slide is just a recapitulation of the states which comprises the coastal plains. As you can see, the western coastal plain is comprised by the states of Gujarat, Maharashtra, Goa, Karnataka and Kerala, whereas the states of West Bengal, Orissa, Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu comprises the eastern coastal plains. Eastern coastal plains. The eastern coastal plains is a wide stretch of landmass of India lying between the eastern Ghats and the Bay of Bengal. It is wider and leveled than the western coastal plains and stretches from Tamil Nadu in the south to West Bengal in the north through Andhra Pradesh and Orissa. Deltas of many of the Indian rivers form a major portion of these plains. The Mahanadi, Godavari, Kaveri and Krishna rivers drain these plains. The region receives both the northeast and the southwest monsoon rains, and its annual rainfall is between 1000 and 3000 millimeter. The width of the plains varies between 100 to 100 and 120 kilometers. It is locally known as Utkal Plains in the northern part between Kosi and Rusikulya rivers, northern circles in the central part between Rusikulya and Krishna river, and as Coromandel coast in the southernmost part from the south of river Krishna till the southern tip of mainland India at Cape Comorin, where it merges with the western coastal plains. In this slide, you can see the different states of eastern coastal plains along with its capitals, rivers, language, dress and festival. Orissa. Bhubaneswar is the capital of Orissa. The main river flowing through Orissa is Mahanadi. The people living in Orissa speaks in Oriya. Men wear dhoti kurta and women wear sari. Rath Yatra is the most important festival of Odisha. Hyderabad is the capital of Andhra Pradesh. The main rivers flowing through Andhra Pradesh are Godavari and Krishna. The main languages spoken in Andhra Pradesh are Telugu and Urdu. The men wear mainly dhoti and shirt and the women wear sari. Ugadi, Dashera and Eid are the main important festivals of Andhra Pradesh. Chennai is the capital of Tamil Nadu. Kaveri, Palar and Vaigai are the main rivers flowing through Tamil Nadu. The people living in Tamil Nadu speaks in Tamil and English. The men wear vesti and shirt, women wear saris. Pongal, Eid and Diwali are the main festivals of Tamil Nadu. Now this slide shows us the music, dance, occupation, tourism and important cities of the states comprising the eastern coastal plains. Odissi is the main dance form of Orissa. The main occupation of the people living in Orissa are agriculture, mining and business. Puri temples, Konark temple, Chilka lake, Shimli Pal Forest National Park are some of the tourist spots that attracts thousands of tourists throughout the year. Important cities of Odisha are Puri, Cuttack, Sambalpur, Mayurbhanj. Andhra Pradesh. Kuchipudi is the main dance form of Andhra Pradesh. The main occupation of the people of Andhra Pradesh are farming, business, and corporate offices. Tirupati Temple, Charminar, Golconda Fort, Hussain Sagar Lake are the important tourist spots of Andhra Pradesh. Most important cities of Andhra Pradesh are Visakhapatnam, Vijayawada, Warangal. Tamil Nadu. Bharatnatyam is the main dance form of Tamil Nadu. Farming is their main occupation. Marina Beach, Mahabalipuram, Kanyakumari are the important tourist spots of Tamil Nadu. The important cities of Tamil Nadu are Madurai, Kanchipuram, Coimbatore. This slide shows us some of the beaches and coast of the eastern coastal plains. Aren't they beautiful? For me, these are magnificent landscape. Puducherry. Puducherry or Pondicherry, which was a French colonial settlement in India until 1954, is now an union territory town bounded by southeastern Tamil Nadu states. Its French legacy is preserved in its French Quarter with tree-lined streets, mustard color colonial villas and chic boutiques. A seaside promenade runs along the Bay of Bengal and passes several statues, including a 4-meter high Gandhi Memorial, the picture of which is shown in this slide at the top. Islands. An island is a piece of subcontinental land that is surrounded by water. Very small islands such as emergent land features, atolls can be called islets. It's difficult to put a figure to the exact number on islands as there are different kinds in various water bodies including oceans, seas, and rivers. In India, we have 2 archipelagos of island. The major island groups of India are Andaman and Nicobar Archipelago, which means a chain of islands similar in origin in Bay of Bengal, and Lakshadweep Island in Arabian Sea. Now we will have a details inlet about the Lakshadweep Island, which is also known as Coral Island. Lakshadweep is a tropical archipelago of 36 atolls and coral reefs in the Arabian Sea off the coast of Kerala, India. Not all of the islands are inhabited and only a few are open to visitors with permissions. Kavaratti, one of the more developed islands, is home to dozens of mosques, including the ornately decorated Ujra Mosque, as well as Kavaratti Aquarium, showcasing regional fish, shark, coral species. Capital of Lakshadweep is Kavaratti. The main languages spoken over there is Malayalam. Lakshadweep was formerly known as Lakkadweep, Minikoy, and Aminidevi Islands. The main occupation of the people living in Lakshadweep is agriculture and fishing. Andaman and Nicobar Islands. The Andaman Islands are an Indian archipelago in the Bay of Bengal. There are roughly 300 islands. These are known for their palm-lined white sand beaches, mangroves, and tropical rainforest. Coral reefs supporting marine life, such as shark and rays, may for popularly diving and make for popular diving and snorkeling sites. Indigenous and Andaman Islanders inhabit the more remote islands, many of which are off limits to visitors. Capital of Andaman and Nicobar Islands is Port Blair. The main languages spoken there is Tamil and Telugu. This is the end of the chapter on the coastal plains and islands. Thank you.